Alright, here we go. What's going on, everyone? This is Jim. I got this recently. We're going to be opening it up today. We're at Top Deck Games in Cherry Hill. And I'm here with a family member. We're going to be playing some games today, so let's see what we got from this.
You can cast it outside of water. You get to trigger all of the abilities.
Alright.
Draw a card. One ability is return a summon. One ability is return a character to your opponent's hand. One of them is put returning forward to your opponent's hand. Character on your opponent's hand.
Alright,
so you play Leo, and then you play 5.
So apparently there's an event going on at
it's
7.
So you make all your
Alright, sorry there was someone who came up to ask me a question, but here we go. Got a Raider Gundam Mobile Armor, Mathis,
well, they have Photo and Pyro.
Familiar Devotion with Wizu, Galileo Swaz Garvey. Sorry about that.
They have, there is an Earth one that taps light.
There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Marisai.
It's like it's not a great color.
Laudes Diazon. Can't pronounce it.
I did it at Nats.
Goblet.
I did.
Got a Heavy Arms here.
I mean, you can try those. I think it might be able to.
Seg Frost.
No, they do it.
Valedictorian.
Oh, yeah,
We got a nice Harmon Khan Rare. And we got an Ace device. And we got the Ace resource of the commodores. That's not too bad. Shouldn't take too long with all of these. To make things easier, I'm just going to be cutting every so often so I can open all these packs. So here we go. Bunch of clocks, Undying Persistence, Praise River, Mount Type, Genoese, Obol Frost, Inspiring Heart for You, Hyakuri, Psycho Gundam Alarm Mode, one loss. That one looks a lot stronger. Quattro. Oh, I got a Gundam X. And we got a Guizen Rebake with a Psycho Gundam resource. On to the next one. Alright, next pack. 01 Gundam. Mars Determination. Shuji's Hideout. Taurus. Galileo Baldwin. Familiar Devotion. Also, apologize if there's any background noise. Buster Gundam. Gundam Asterion Mobile Armor Mode. Gundam Ferric. Laosun. Red Gundam. Guaden. And Resource. And I just realized the Red Gundam was the rare there, along with the base. So that's pretty cool. On to the next pack. Alright, so next pack we have a Barzam, a Bakal, Dezel Galette, Abduz Magnac, Gazazi, Jaquox, Heartset on Revenge, Gun Long Range Resonance Type, Dominion, Frieden, and for our first shiny we got the Risei Go Cry's Cousin 2. Behind that we got the Zeta Gundam and EX Resource. Next pack. Alright, we got Genoese, a Delta Plus Wave Rider, Alexandria, Gaffran, Rick Diaz.
Oh yeah, might be.
Police Zaku. Armored RRU type? Sorry. Hackerin by Amidas. I forgot how you pronounce it. Gundam Leopard. Daughter's Weapon. Turning Point in History. Ooh, Hyakushiki. Ooh, here we go. And all a R plus of the Catrius Glaze Ridden ground type. It's actually pretty nice. Behind that is a token. So, on to the next box. Alright, so we got H1 Titus. Gleo's repeats of cards we've already seen. I'm just going to go through them slowly here. Alright.
Yeah, I know. I feel that.
Well, this one's new. Left Hand Fragment. It's actually a pretty decent one. Zidus. Oh, that's the first one I got of that. And a Bient. Nice. And we got the resource. Alright, next set here. Rick Diaz. Let's focus on that. There we go. Rick Diaz. Part of his third form. Janus Custom. Sorry. And anyway, Dazzle. Saga 2 sleeves. Or Saga 3 sleeves. A Diva. Frieden. Raider Gundam. Daughter's Weapon. Daughter's Command. A Gundam Mark II Titans in rare. And a Gundam Mysterion in rare. And there's our resource. Alright. Next set here. Another third form. Here we go. First Nemo I got. White Wolf. Manarasai. Come on. Chikun from Jaquox. Daltris. Mobius. Peacemaker team. Well, this is the crazy one. It's like sacrifice this unit and destroy the enemy base with like at least 6 damage. Dang, that's crazy. And we get Calamity Gundam, Airmaster, Command. Oh, we got a new Tall Geese. Different one from the starter set. And we got the Elmerth. Nice. And there's an Epion resource. That's awesome.
Sometimes can be good.
Alright, so next set we got White Gundam, Janus Custom, Gun Leopard, Core Booster, something or other, something from the mobile, I forgot what it is from Jaquox.
I was just waiting for you to play forward.
The Rick Diaz,
I just will use my CP.
Sincerely Care, Victorian. We got Quattro Regina again. Well, this one's new. Momentary Respite. It's actually pretty neat. Choose one Oracle Pilot card in the trash, add it to your hand. And while it's burst, draw a card. That's pretty cool. And we got Camille Biden, finally. Basically gives you a +2. And burst adds to hand. And the Red Gundam in resource.
So generally what...
Alright, so now we got Gundam H1 Titus, White Wolf, Core Booster, Gaza C, Raider Gundam MS, Methus,
Beneath the Mask,
That's new for me. Oh, that's crazy.
It's really good.
Choose 1 to 2 enemy units that are level 2 or lower. That's actually pretty good.
It's just the problem is that people are like,
It grabs, turning point in history, Rick T is red, decisive last resort. That's crazy. 3 lower. So, oh, there we go. Got the G-Clocks. That's actually pretty cool. Behind that is an EX base. Alright, so we got more cards.
yeah. This is from the highest ranking player this league has, with some very special. There's only 2 mods. I agree. If you have mods already, you can't have here.
Alright, turnabout. That's okay. And there we go, we got Flint.
That doesn't mean that you're not so
Not too bad. Freeze shooting. I'm just gonna go pretty quickly through these. Go GXS and Versago. Nice. And the second one of these. And this is the last pack for the right side of the box.
I'm not gonna win, I can tell you that for sure. There's a Gear 75. Sorry.
Oh, I got 4. Nice. All right. On to the left side. All right. Got so much trash here. That's new. The beta. That's pretty cool. Hi, Zach. Mars and resource. Alright, let's see what we got here.
That was a real restaurant right next door. It is pretty good.
And we're gonna ignore my phone going off. Oh, we got the new Gundam area rebuild. That's pretty cool. And we got a Quiddly. Nice.
That's the whole reason we're here.
Ooh, got a Sparrow and got a Z from us. Barbados. Nice.
I brought my card with us.
Alright.
I was playing with, they're playing over there.
That's how I had to use that. So you also didn't tap your
That cell phone battery up for tomorrow.
We get it today and
Like-
3 to 5 and
Again, I apologize. There's a lot of background noise. There's some Go Goop and that. Again, sorry for all the background noise. Alright, here we go.
Oh no! So on, that is 3 upstairs.
His sign and low range attack and Zeta. Here we go. Hopefully my battery lasts for this.
8 times 4.
Nice. And Psycho Gun. Token. Here we go.
Strength 5 is toughness.
Argama.
I saw you had
Got 4 more packs. I might as well rip one right now so I can show you.
well, you know, you can hide this Axar thing.
There we go.
Yeah, and month 5 I got is 3. That's all that. It's 1.
A little too excited here on the pulls.
I know, I drew it right after. It was the next part.
They're huge, cheeky, and oh, another 4. And there we go. Got an Epion CR Plus. That's cool.
It was like,
Yeah.
you want to take it or turn 2?
Here's the thing, they have 2 and they can only save on 5. They're in both. The Brutal, however, is in both form, but they have 2 and D, and they're so they're very much last.
There we go. Alright. These are our last 2 packs.
Yeah, no, you want to read
And there we go. Got an Epion. Nice.
Yeah, exactly.
And for the last one, just to get it over with.
Oh wait, sorry. I should be. Alright. So this is
Mark 2, and finally got that. That's it for my box. Hope you guys enjoyed.
yeah.